What? What? What are you chewing on? You chewing on your pee pad? What's that hanging out of your mouth, Dorky? Clown. What? You clown dog. Oh, row, row. Oh, row, row.
You need to knock it off.
Knock it off. Knock it off. Knock it off.
You won't. We'll keep arguing with you.
Stop arguing.
Hey!
Ha ha.
That's enough, bro.
Ha ha.
You fucked that whole thing up, clown. Let's go.
Yeah. Dorky boy. It's still in your mouth. What the heck? Clown dog? Ow.
So there's that thing. Oh.
You gonna say hi? Say hi to Uncle Steve? Ouch. Ow.
Nice.
Ow. You're a good boy. You're an obnoxious little fat boy.
Obnoxious. That's a good word.
Obnoxious Chewy.